YouTube. Check me out. We're driving through the Mississippi Delta on our way to Clarksdale. There's some Delta for you. That's some farmland. Here we go, here we go. And back to Free Friday. Hit the subscribe button today for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of free harmonica lessons, and a new one every single Friday. So like the video, leave a comment below. Tell me what you want to see me do in the next video. Chances are I did it already, but hopefully I haven't. So, anyway, today we're going to learn a Pat Ramsey lick. Another Pat Ramsey lick. And it's movable, so you can do it in a few different places. So we're going to start on 4 draw, go to 3 draw. Then we're going to go to 4 bend, and then go to 3 draw again. I'll get into more of that later. Then 4 blow, then 3 blow. I just showed this to a couple of my students, so they're going to be mad that now it's free. Here we go. All right. One more time. 4 draw, 3 draw, 4 bend, 3 draw, 4 blow, 3 blow. So it's draw, draw, bend, draw, blow, blow. Again. Now here's the hard part. Now you can do the whole thing backwards. So you can start on 4 blow, 3 blow, 4 bend, 3 draw, 4 draw, 3 draw. Back, that's going up. Here's going down. So we learned that down, and we learned up. So what if we went up and then down? Oh. Now, if we go back to my first lesson I did on Pat, he had this lick. So I could climb up, I could use that, go back to my first lesson, learn that, and I could just keep going up or down. Now, the thing I wanted to tell you about is, if I bend the 4 draw, like I am, and I keep my mouth in the same position, I can actually get a 3 bend without really any effort on the second movement. So the first movement, 4 draw to 3 draw. The second movement, 4 draw bend, and keep my mouth in that position, I'll get a 3 bend. Right? Cool. Now, I told you it was movable, right? So let's just pick up the harp, or I'll keep it up, and let's go down the 2 draw. 2 draw, 1 draw, 2 double bend, 1 draw, 2 blow, 1 blow. Same motion. It's like I picked it up, I learned this, and then I picked the harp up and I played in the wrong spot. Instead of starting on 4 draw, I started on 2 draw. Same exact breathing and bending pattern. And I can go up. I can go up and down. I can spend time on each one too. I can play each one a couple of times or more. I could spend 4 on each. Or just 1. And then you can get really tricky. Yeah! All Pat Ramsey stuff, right? All stuff a Mooncat learned from his adopted father, the Reverend Pat Ramsey. That was what brought me down to the South. That's what brought this Yankee down to the South 1995, many years ago, in the Mississippi Delta. What's up? Yeah, that's right there. It can be really hard. You got to think of each movement as 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm thinking I'm going to play 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Da do 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 da do do do. 1, 2, 3, 2. I gotta drive. I don't want to kill myself. All right, that's Free Friday. That's a quick one, y'all. I'm headed up to Clarksdale to do this D-Carp Harmonica seminar and the D-Carp harp block party blow off. I'm gonna see my old friend Artemis Lesor from the Blues Stories. Check out my Blues Stories on Kimbrough Burnside. Look at this, live blues nightly ahead, right there. Clarksdale, pulling into Clarksdale right now. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to see my old friend Billy Gibson, who was also a protege of Pat's for a little while. And my old friend Artemis. Check out my Blues Stories on Kimbroughs and Burnsides. I'll link it. And I'm going to see him and Charlie Barath and, of course, Deke Harp and a bunch of y'all. So I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for tuning in to Free Friday.